Hi students, today's lecture I am writing a program in C programming language. Check whether a character is a vowel or consonant. Now I am start writing a program in C++ software. Click on file menu, select new and then click on source file. Source file will be open on the screen. Now I am start writing a program. Hash include stdio dot h means all standard input output header files are included in this preprocessor directory. Press enter. I am entering of this program with the help of the int main function int main, and body of the program will be open. Within the body of the program we are writing what we get from the result from this program. That all information we have to write within the flower brackets. First variable declaration data type space variables. Here char is a variable data type and c is a variable. C variable is declared inside of the char data type. Here with the help of the char data type, end of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. Now I am declaring two more variables with the help of the int data type space variables. Lowercase is a one variable and uppercase is a one more variable. Uppercase is one more variable. End of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. Now printf is an output device. It is the help output function or output device. Printf is behaving like is an output. What we are displaying on the screen, that information is written inside of the printf function within the double quotes. Enter an alphabet. Enter an alphabet and end of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. Scanf. Here scanf is an input device, means what we are displaying on the screen, that all information is scanned inside of the scanf with the help of the format specifier %c. Here I am writing this %c. %c is a format specifier for char data type, and comma I am giving the address location to store the variable value. Character or here c is a variable. This variable value where it is storing ampersand c means address location. End of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. Now we are finding check whether a character is a vowel or consonant. Means here I am writing one condition. Here for example, in lowercase letters, what we are declared in lowercase variables in that letters, that are all called vowels, and in at the same time uppercase letters. In that time also what we are declared in uppercase variables, that are all called as vowels. We are no vowels are 5 a, e, I, o, u. Now I am writing lowercase equals to, within the brackets, open brackets, I am writing here we are char is that c variable is declared in a char, c equals to within the single quotes I am writing a single character constant. Within the single quotes we are seeing anything that is a single character constant a, and or c equals to a, e, or c equals to I, or c equals to here a, e, I, o, or c equals to u. Means a, e, I, o, u is are all called as vowels. End of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. Now coming to this uppercase same, but here we are using capital letters. C, here capital E, capital A is a vowel, and C, capital E, or here I'm missing, okay, capital E, C, capital I, C, capital O, C, capital U. Means except this capital A E I O U, and except this small A E I O U, these are all called vowels. Remaining what we are entering on the screen, that all are consonants. Press enter. Printf, printf. Here I am writing before printf to displaying first condition. If lowercase or uppercase, if lowercase or uppercase, printf is displaying. If lowercase or uppercase means you are entering lowercase or uppercase, it's displaying printf percentage C is a vowel. Here percentage C is a vowel. Here percentage C is a vowel, comma C. If it's not uppercase or lowercase characters, else printf percentage C is a consonant. Percentage C is a consonant, comma C. End of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. And after completion of the program, return 0. Now I am saving my program. Click on file menu, click on save. I am giving a source file to my program .c, and I am saving my program with that name b2.c. Here b2 is a file name, .c is the extension of the program. Now I am compiling my program to checking for the errors. Any errors are there in my program, click on execute and click on compile. In my program have 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now I will directly go to run my program. Click on run. Enter an alphabet. Here I am entering small a. Small a. Press enter. A is a vowel. Here our program is successfully done. Okay.